It literally looks like I went to a hair salon, but I did it here at home in about 7 minutes. Here are my go-to date night hairstyles that anyone can pull off. So to start, you want to have some type of curl, wave, texture in your hair. I've already done that, so let's get into it. So for the first hairstyle, you are just going to need some type of elevated jaw clip. Here is the one that I'm going to be using. And in case you're curious, I got this cute jaw clip at Hobby Lobby of all places. So let's get into it. The first thing that you're going to do is take out bangs. And then I'm going to start right about where my eyebrow is. Take the hair back, same thing on this side. Take the hair back, gently comb it through, and then twist. Once you've twisted, you're just going to grab your cute jaw clip, clip it in, and then let your hair just fall. So you see how it made this little loop here? Grab this loop and pull it into your jaw clip, just like this. And this is just going to help show your hair accessory. And that is it. So this next one involves using a hair barrette. I'm not sure how you pronounce that, but there it is. It comes with two, a black one and this cute brownish speckled one. This is the one that we're going to be using today. So all you do, grab your bangs, and I'm just going to do bangs on one side. Grab your hair somewhat into a mid ponytail like this. And then grab your barrette. You're going to place it at the bottom of that ponytail. Just twist it and then gently hug the rest of your hair like this. Make sure that none of your hair escapes at the top. I start to comb my hair through and flip it out. I do just to help because it secure it so it doesn't unclip. It opens as I'm doing this. I just hold it at the top. There's a hack for you. Important quick note, this hairstyle does not stay with clean, fine hair. I've tried it and it has slipped right off. I recommend using it on second and better yet, third day hair. This hairstyle works best with wavy and curly hair used with your favorite hair products. I also love the way this one looks when I scrunch my wavy hair. Essentially, just get this really cool looking ponytail, and what I love about it is the advantage of keeping the length. I like the one-sided bang. The last one, you're just going to grab a pearl type of jaw clip. I got this one at Target. I love it. It's so pretty. What I'm gonna do is somewhat of a more middle part. And then I'm going to take my hair to the back. Take out these little bangs. And then I'm gonna grab my hair tie. Then I'm going to move this hair to the front and wrap it around about 3-ish times. And then you're just going to loop it, take one side up, the other side down, grab your jaw clip and clip it in. You can fluff that little bun out. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna grab some of these little hairs at the bottom and just bring them up and secure it. And that's it. And that's how I get a date night look without spending forever on my hair. Which of these would you try? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more everyday hair inspo.